All right, it is September 3rd and taking a look around. I did another coat on this because these corners keep leaking and it leaked down the wall and it's a big pain in the butt. But I'm gonna try one more pour because I've got most of it sealed up, all except for these back corners. Corey has continued on with the bathroom and he has gotten this wall and this wall done. We've got the one back wall to finish up and he's got that curve to overlap on that transition there. But I think this is going to be really nice. Instead of an angle, it's a nice curve. We were joking, it kind of reminds us of an airplane bathroom. Maybe that's the theme I should go for. I mean, we've got maps for travel on the ceiling, so we could just blast off in our own bathroom. What do you think?
I hope it looks okay.
I think it looks really good. Oh, and he did some cutting down here and tried to work on the step. He said there's some more to do to it, though, because stuff. And, yeah. And I cleaned up in here yesterday, though it's hard to see now. But it was really bad yesterday, so I did a lot of cleaning up and straightening so that we can get in here and work. Because before, to get in, you'd have to step over all kinds of stuff, and there wasn't even a path, was there? All right, September 3rd, we're very quickly approaching the 1-year anniversary.
We might have a bathroom.
We might have a bathroom by September 13th. And I don't think it falls on a Friday this year. Maybe it'll be luckier. Always an adventure?
Always.
If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.